Guys, I'm struggling. I am struggling. I literally cannot tell which is which. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Omar here again, and I am back with yet another perfume review video. Let's get right into it. So guys, as you can see, I'm looking all classy, and that is because of this perfume. Now the perfume I'm talking about makes me feel a certain type of way, like you can't talk to me anyhow, like put a respect on my name. That is how this perfume makes me feel. If you watched my video about top 5 long-lasting perfumes for women that I made last year, I'm going to leave a link up here for you to see if you haven't watched the video. I talked about this perfume, and this perfume was my number one on the list. I mentioned that this perfume should be on every woman's perfumes collection, and that perfume is Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. This perfume is such a classic, sexy, chic perfume. Like, I can't get over this perfume. This is the Intense, by the way. This perfume is a staple in every woman's perfume collection, all right? It's just a timeless piece. It's a timeless classic perfume, and I love it, okay? I love it. Now, this perfume is not cheap, okay? And I've always been searching for that alternative that can give me the same vibe as Chanel Coco Mademoiselle without me spending a fortune on it. I want to be able to douse myself in that Coco Mademoiselle scent and not feel guilty because I am using a very expensive liquid on myself. I don't want to feel guilty that I'm like dousing myself with liquid gold, and that is why I've been on a hunt for an alternative of Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. Now, the most popular one on the market is from Armaf, and that is Armaf's Club de Nuit Woman, and that has been the most like sought after alternative for Coco Mademoiselle. And I wanted something different. I really wanted to see something different. I wanted an alternative. I wanted options. There's nothing wrong in having options, right? So I found this alternative, and I'm going to be comparing it to Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. So this is from Armaf, and it is called Pink Coral. Armaf makes very nice budget-friendly clones, beast clones, okay? And this one is not an exception. This is Pink Coral from Armaf, and it is from their niche collection. Just sniffing around it, I've never even gotten to the nostril, and it smells amazing. So this perfume opens up with that bright and sweet, juicy orange jasmine notes. You tend to perceive the citrus note, and it's not just any type of citrus. It's not the sour citrus. This is a very, very juicy orange note that has that combination with jasmine, and it is a floral woody scent. This perfume is a floral woody scent that after that opening, when the perfume starts to dry down, you tend to perceive that vanilla. It dries down to that very, very sweet vanilla and patchouli note. The base note in it is just more of vanilla and patchouli. When the perfume settles down, you tend to perceive that woody note, and everything just combines really well together to produce this beast, okay? This perfume is a beast. So the top notes are orange and bergamot. The middle notes are jasmine and rose. The base notes are patchouli, vanilla, musk, and vetiver. I can definitely get the musk from this perfume when it dries down, and the musk isn't that type of off-putting musk that people generally do not like. The musk here blends really well with the roses and the jasmine and the orange, and everything just combines really well. The note breakdown of this perfume is just so outstanding. I completely enjoy this perfume. Now I'm going to be comparing this to the original notes of Coco Mademoiselle. The top notes are Sicilian rose, Calabrian bergamot, lemon. The middle notes are rose, fruity notes, and jasmine. The base notes are patchouli, Madagascar vanilla, tonka bean, white musk, and labdanum. Now I can see that it has Sicilian rose, it has Sicilian orange, rose, jasmine, patchouli, musk, and vetiver, which I think the only note that you can't find here that is found in Coco Mademoiselle is actually the vetiver. Aside that, the rest of the notes are captured in this, and it smells so beautiful. Like, this smells so sophisticated, so sexy. I can't believe the amount I paid for this and what I'm perceiving. Like, they are two completely different things, and I can't wrap my head around it. I'm just stunned. I don't know which is which. This is crazy.
One eternity later.
So when I do scent comparisons, I usually am able to tell which is which. Okay, but right now I'm struggling. Guys, I'm struggling. I am struggling. I literally cannot tell which is which. I can't. I am mind blown. I really cannot. Guys, no. This is really not happening. I can't tell the difference. I cannot. This is I've been you know what, for the scent profile, yeah, they both win because I can't. I'm sorry. I'm going to be here and sniffing all day. In the air, guys, no difference. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm done. For scent profile, this is amazing. No one is actually going to know you are not wearing Coco Mademoiselle. Either the Intense or Coco Mademoiselle Original. No one is going to know because they smell so alike. Let's go to the next category. So for projection, I'd have to say this is like one of the best alternative videos I've done, in my opinion, as someone that compares alternative and original perfumes. Guys, so when it comes to scent profile, these two perfumes literally performs the same. Now for projection, I'd have to say they perform the same as well. If you've used Coco Mademoiselle and when you spray it, you know Coco Mademoiselle projects, like Coco Mademoiselle project. It gives that scent trail. You know that sillage that when you leave the room, people know that you left. When you're coming in, people would perceive you. Coco Mademoiselle does that. The same thing goes for Pink Coral. Pink Coral really, really surprises me for the amount that I paid. Pink Coral surprises me. The projection on both is 100. I enjoy Pink Coral's projection to the T. It projects like a beast. Projects. For projection, I have to give it to the 2 because it is amazing. It's just funny that I never thought I'll be able to compare a perfume like Bang On Dupe for Coco Mademoiselle. Next category. For longevity, guys, this perfume is long lasting. Pink Coral is long lasting the same way Coco Mademoiselle is long lasting. This perfume will give you 24 hours plus, and I am not even exaggerating. 24 hours plus, that is what you're going to get with Pink Coral. Like, my mind is completely blown for a dupe fragrance. If you want to smell like Coco Mademoiselle, but you don't want to spend that Coco Mademoiselle money, get Pink Coral. Like, get your hands on Pink Coral. I am telling you, the quality of this juice is top notch. The quality is unmatched. Longevity. This perfume will give you a good full day's wear and take you on to the next day. This perfume is long lasting. In summary, guys, does Pink Coral from Armaf pass the alternative test? Of course it does, 100%. Get your hands on this staple. it's just so surprising that it hasn't caught much attention, or hasn't, attracted as much people as I thought it would, because this perfume is fantastic. I am raving about it because it completely blew my mind, and it is comparing, like, the performance is like, it's up there, it's dragging performance with the original Coco Mademoiselle. We've come to the end of this video, guys. This is one of my best perfume reviews. I have to say it's one of my best because the performance is just blowing my mind. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed it. If you have tried Pink Coral, please leave that in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts about this perfume. If you've tried it, let me know if I'm actually saying your mind or I'm over exaggerating it, because so far it has not disappointed in any of the categories: scent profile, projection, longevity. It has been delivering. Okay, so I want to hear your thoughts about this perfume in the comment section, and also like this video if you are going to try this perfume, if you are going to check it out. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, okay, and subscribe for those that have not subscribed, guys. Turn on your post notification button so that when I post a video like this, you'll be the first to know about it. Okay, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.